lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super amazing and wonderful. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to today's video. Again, this is one of those videos that I had filmed and I have no idea when this is going to be up, but like I said in my video on Wednesday, it's going to be some random videos coming up that are going to be good quality videos, and I hope you watch and I hope you do enjoy. The lipstick I'm wearing, you would have seen this in Wednesday's video, Summer Beauty Haul. It's from, I was about to say Becca, no it's not. It's from Revolution, and this is called Cherry. This is a beautiful red matte lipstick. It is beautiful, it is so perfect, and again, this is going to match any skin tone. Beautiful shade, and it's such a beautiful matte lipstick. It doesn't dry your lips out. You know, sometimes when you wear some matte lipstick and you smile, you can see the white on your lips. Not this. This is perfect. And as you can see on my chest, I'm shimmering a little bit. This is because I went in with the Makeup Obsession Body Shimmer. I showed you guys this as well in Wednesday's video, and I hope you guys watched and enjoyed that. If you're looking for the perfect red lip liner, get this one from Becca. This is called Fun. However, Becca is going out of business, or by now they should be out of business. So if the stores are still available online and you can find this red lipstick, get it, because this is going to match all of your red lipsticks. All the red lipsticks in my collection, this lip liner is just perfect. Anywho, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some beautiful, simple fashion jewelry that will really jazz up your summer outfits. Let's get into the video. So the first one I want to show you guys is this beautiful piece. You are going to see them on. When you look in the internet, or you look like in any fashion magazine, you would see lots of chunkiness lately, and a lot of beautiful chunky jewelry are in this season, and you know what, they are so beautiful and so pretty, and they can really make that outfit look a little bit different, really jazz it up a bit. And when I saw this piece, I thought to myself, I have got to have this. This is from ASOS. It wasn't even that expensive. I'm going to leave the name of everything in the description box for you guys. This is really pretty. You're going to see this on. And of course, I just went in with a simple white shirt, and this looks so beautiful with it. And the reason why I picked this is because it's clear, and it's chunky and clear. I hope you guys can see that. Beautiful, beautiful piece of jewelry. And you know, with chunky jewelry, you can wear them with anything, but you have to wear them with the right outfit so they can stand out. So when people see you, they will say, oh wow, I love that piece of jewelry you're wearing. This is obviously very, very pretty, very different. And I think as I get older, if I'm going to be shopping for anything, I want my products, or not products really, my jewelry, my clothing, my makeup, everything to make sense. You know what I mean? And it has to be practical buys as well that I will wear. What did I just say? That I will wear all year round. And to me, this is an all year round piece. This is very, very pretty. You can wear this as a choker all the way up to your neck, around your neck, or you can let it hang just around your collarbone. And the lobster claw clasp, that's what it is. It's quite big, as you can see right here, and you can make this as short or as long as you want. Okay, and there we be. Love this piece. This is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so beautiful with the white. I love it. Absolutely love that one. And this is another one that I love. This is a white piece as well. White on white looks really good. And with this, I can see this with maybe like a creamy shirt, or maybe something beige or yellow, or maybe like a light blue. This is going to go perfect. But I'm wearing a white shirt in the video so you guys can see, because I really want the piece to show a lot. And this is really beautiful. It's like a chain link, and you may say to yourself, wait a minute, that must be really heavy. No, it's not. It's as light as a feather. There we be. Really cute, really gorgeous. Great summer pieces, again, to jazz up your summer wardrobe. I mean, you can dress this up, dress this down. If you're going back to the office, this is great. Out for dinner, out with your friends. Things are beginning to open up. You can gather with more than 10 people probably. If you want to get together with your friends and families, this is absolutely perfect. Or these are great ideas for gift giving as well, because we haven't seen friends and families for such a long time, and if you want to get them something fun, these are really great pieces to get them for gift giving. And another one that I really like is this beautiful piece. This is more of a layering piece, and you do have the pearls with, you know, the different colors in there, and of course you do have like a chain kind of a link in here that's silver. And I think this looks so perfect with any outfit. And again, the closure to the top here, you can make this as long or as short as you want. You can go all the way to the bottom, or you can just bring this all the way to the top. It depends on your likeness, okay? And it doesn't matter how you wear this, it's gonna hang really nicely around your neck. And of course, you know, with pearls and silver, this can go with just about anything. Dress, shorts, casual, any how you want to dress your jewelry, this is going to be perfect. Great layering piece. And again, it will really add a different look to your wardrobe. It really would. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love this piece as well. This is a really lovely chunky piece of jewelry as well. This is in the gold tone. And look at the chain link here. It's really long. And what I love about these pieces that I picked up is the fact that you, with the lobster claw clasp here, you can make this as short as you want to make it like a choker, or you can just wear this as an actual necklace, and you can just put it right on top, and it's going to hang nicely just around your neck. And I'm just putting this right across my neck with this dress that I'm wearing. It's an old dress I had for a very long time, and this even looks pretty good. I think this looks really nice around my neck as well. Very, very pretty. And again, you may think it's heavy. It's not. It's very, very light, and I just love the chunky pieces. Really, really cute. Another one that I do have is this chain link here. Just take a look at that. It is so pretty, and this is really, really easy to put on. I mean, it has like a little hole right there, and this is the T-bar right there. Put that in. Oops. You just put that in there, and you are done. There you be. Very, very pretty, and of course it looks so attractive and sexy with white. And like again, I said, I just put on a white shirt just to make it pop up a little bit. But again, you can wear these with just about anything. I love this. And again, you know, right around my neck with this polka dot dress, it's going to look really sexy. Very, very pretty. Another one that I do have here is this beautiful chain link design. And I love the fact that, you know, you do have a little bit of a design on the length. Hope you guys can see that. And it's nicely chained. It looks so pretty. Again, look at the closure. It's quite long, the chain. Again, so you can bring this as close as you want to your neck, or you can make this as long as you want. And if you have trouble, you know, let's say you have arthritis in your hands or something like that, this is very, very easy to put together, or you can have someone do that for you and just bring that close so you can see. Beautiful design. This is absolutely gorgeous, and again looks fantastic with white. And again, any color would be perfect. And if you want to be really playful and girly and just want to be childish for once, this is stunning. This is just a simple fun piece. Or if you know someone who has teenagers who is just getting into jewelry, this is something that's going to be great for gift giving as well. So you do have, I'm going to bring this as close as I can. It's like a daisy design on here. Okay. And then the other one here, you have them as a star. I mean, you can wear them separately. They came together as one, but if you want to put one on one particular occasion, that's fine. If you want to wear them both together, that's great. And again, the chain link is quite long enough so you can just have them however you want. You can have them short, you can have them long, and you can adjust the chain however you want. Very, very, very pretty. Great and fun for the summer season. Those hot summer days you just want to hang out at the poolside or something. This is absolutely perfect. Last but not least, I do have this gorgeous piece as well, which I really like. More in the same theme like this one. A little bit more playful, a little bit more girly, you know, because we're girls, we love jewelry. And this is quite nice. And again, it's quite light. It's not going to feel heavy around the neck or anything like that. And again, it shows up really, really nice with white. And this looks so pretty. Love this. Again, like I said, if you just want to be girly and playful, you just want to just have some fun, these are great pieces to have for the summer. These ones, beautiful, great with white, as you can see in the little video there. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to leave the name, if I can find them, of the jewelry pieces in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one of these. They are really pretty. And I have a feeling I got most of these from ASOS. They were like £2 and change, £5, £6. It wasn't expensive at all. But if I have to pick one from this whole set, this is going to be the one that I'm going to go with. I just love this so much. It looks so gorgeous. Even with my polka dot top. I mean, look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks with this dress. And it really adds a little bit of dimension to your face. It adds a little bit of something to your look. Really, really cute. And again, you can just lay this flat across the neck as a choker style, or you can just let this lay just on the collarbone. This is very pretty, one of my favorite pieces. I think this and the white one would be the two that I would pick because they're cute, they're chunky, and they're very different. And of course they're quite light. And yeah, beautiful, gorgeous pieces again to jazz up that summer wardrobe that you have. Don't make your summer wardrobes boring. Just add a little bit of jewelry to it and you're good to go. So my loves, on that note, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little fashion jewelry haul today. Everything is going to be down below in the description box for you guys. And of course, if you are, somebody was asking about the lashes, I am wearing Faith today. Faith is on my eyes. All the ordering details will be down below in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up one of these and you know your eyes look so beautiful, gorgeous, and sexy. And on that note, this is the end of the video. My name is Jewellety. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And I shall see you next time. Toodles.